Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla Ascent, stock reference number 5360. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 10th month 2013. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 4-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel.